Alright, Pi Pioneers, Gold Rush back with some potentially huge news on the Gold Rush Crypto Daily. You guys have been mining away on your phones, patiently waiting for the day Picoin hits the big exchanges, right? Well, the rumor mill is buzzing, and the question on everyone's lips is, could Binance be next? This could be a game changer, folks. Let's dive into the potential impact of a Binance listing for Picoin. Today, we're not just talking about another day in the crypto world. We're focusing on a potential listing that could send shockwaves through the Pi network community. Could Picoin finally be making its grand entrance onto Binance? What would that even mean for the price, the liquidity, and the entire Pi ecosystem? Buckle up because this is the Pi news you've been waiting for. Before we unlock the potential of a Binance listing, make sure you smash that like button. If you're a Pi network believer, subscribe to the channel for more crucial Pi updates, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a market-moving moment. Let's get this Pi party started. Alright, Pi network family, we've been following the project closely, and the anticipation for open mainnet and exchange listings has been building for a long time. Now the big question that's got everyone talking is, could Picoin be getting listed on Binance, one of the biggest crypto exchanges on the planet? If this happens, the impact could be absolutely massive, from a surge in trading activity to a significant jump in price. Let's break down exactly what a Binance listing could mean for Picoin and the entire Pi network. First off, let's talk about liquidity. Binance boasts some of the largest daily trading volumes in the entire crypto space. If Picoin were to be listed on this platform, its liquidity would likely increase dramatically. Higher liquidity means that it would become much easier for investors to buy and sell Picoin in large amounts without causing significant fluctuations in the market price. This brings a ton of benefits, including easier transactions, reduced extreme volatility, which we all know can be a bit of a roller coaster in the crypto world, and it would likely attract more interest from both big institutional investors and everyday retail investors who are looking for assets that are easy to trade. So a Binance listing could be a monumental step in accelerating the adoption of Picoin on the global crypto stage. I think this is arguably the biggest potential benefit. Easy access and the ability to trade freely are crucial for any cryptocurrency to thrive. Now let's get to the question everyone's really thinking about, the price surge. History has shown us time and time again that when a crypto asset gets listed on a major exchange like Binance, it often experiences a significant spike in price. Analysts are even predicting that if Picoin gets the official nod from Binance, its price could potentially surge up to $5. Several factors could drive this price increase. There's the sheer excitement and anticipation from the Pi network community and investors who have been waiting for this moment for years. This pent-up demand could create a wave of buying pressure. Plus, with easier accessibility on Binance, a whole new pool of investors would be able to buy Picoin, further increasing demand. And let's not forget the validation factor. Being listed on a major exchange like Binance is often seen as a sign of legitimacy and credibility for a crypto project, which can significantly boost market confidence. However, we need to be realistic here. While a price surge is definitely possible, investors should also be cautious. These kinds of post-listing pumps can sometimes be temporary, and once the initial hype settles down, prices could experience a sharp correction. So, while the potential for a price jump is exciting, it's important to keep a level head. What about the impact on market capitalization? Currently, Pi network, depending on how you calculate it, considering it's not yet fully traded, could potentially rank quite high in terms of its total potential market cap. If it gets listed on Binance, this could act as a major catalyst for further growth. With a higher market capitalization, Picoin could potentially break into the top 10 cryptocurrencies and start competing with well-established players like Dogecoin and Solana. Major exchanges like Binance often serve as a gateway for institutional investors to get involved in crypto assets, which could bring in significant capital. And with a larger market cap, Picoin's price might even become more stable compared to the volatility we've seen in other emerging cryptocurrencies. Of course, external factors like government regulations and the overall health of the crypto market will also play a significant role in how the market cap grows, but a Binance listing would definitely be a huge step in the right direction. The potential doesn't stop at Binance. If Picoin successfully secures a listing on such a prestigious exchange, it could pave the way for listings on other major platforms like Coinbase, Kraken, and Upbit. This kind of expansion would further extend PiCoin's reach and adoption across the globe. Having PiCoin available on multiple exchanges would bring a ton of advantages, including market diversification, meaning PiCoin wouldn't be solely reliant on one exchange, making it less vulnerable to platform-specific issues. It would also provide greater accessibility for investors from various countries who might prefer different exchanges. And naturally, with availability on more exchanges, the overall trading volume for PiCoin is likely to increase. However, it's important to remember that each exchange has its own set of requirements and policies for listing new assets, so this process might take some time. While a Binance listing presents some incredibly exciting opportunities, we also need to be aware of the potential risks and uncertainties. Cryptocurrency regulations are constantly evolving around the world, and some governments have very strict policies regarding digital assets. These regulations could potentially impact PiCoin's adoption and might even limit its price growth and liquidity. We also know that the crypto market is notorious for its extreme price swings. Even if we see a price surge after a Binance listing, there's absolutely no guarantee that those prices will remain high in the long run. Sharp price corrections are a common occurrence once the initial excitement fades, and finally the success of a Binance listing also depends heavily on how the Pi network project itself is managed. Any technical issues, security concerns, or internal problems could severely damage the reputation and investor trust in PiCoin. So it's not just about getting listed, it's about the project's ongoing development and integrity. So, what's my take on all of this? A PiCoin listing on Binance could be a monumental catalyst for the project, bringing increased liquidity, potential price appreciation, and a much larger market capitalization. If that happens, we could definitely see listings on other major exchanges following suit, further expanding PiCoin's global reach. However, we also need to be mindful of the potential risks, including regulatory hurdles, market volatility, and the ongoing success of the Pi network project itself. As investors, it's crucial to do your own thorough research and not get swept up in the hype. While the potential for significant gains is there, we need to carefully assess the risks involved to make informed decisions. This potential Binance listing, coupled with the growing interest in BiPi domains we talked about earlier, really shows that the Pi network ecosystem is continuing to develop and generate excitement. It's a long game, but these are definitely encouraging signs. Alright, Pi Pioneers, if you found this breakdown of the potential Binance listing insightful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the Gold Rush Crypto Daily channel for more crucial Pi network updates. What are your thoughts on PiCoin potentially getting listed on Binance? How do you think it would impact the price and the project as a whole? Let's discuss in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in to the Gold Rush Crypto Daily. Be sure to check out our other videos for more crypto news and analysis. Until next time, this is Gold Rush signing off. Stay safe, stay informed, and keep that Pi mining strong. Disclaimer. Please remember that this is not financial advice. Cryptocurrency investments are highly volatile and you could lose money. Always conduct your own thorough research before making any investment decisions.